which is surrounded by the listed developers like DLF, Adani's and Arbors. Ishva has a legacy of over 50 years in construction industry, and this is a listed company as well. The model of the clubhouse and Majestic 5 Towers. So come along with me. Majestic 5 Towers of TARC Ishva. You can book these luxurious suites for your guests, and you can Vijay Sharma Shankar, he is the Vastu consultant. So, welcome to TARC Ishva, which is the amalgamation of Indian tradition and modern living. We'll be also seeing the artifacts from different parts of India in this house. 8 by 6 feet running balcony. Alexa, switch on living area chandelier. Isn't it mesmerizing? This is actually called the Brahmsthan also of this house. Isn't this a gorgeous kitchen, which is the amalgamation of soft welcome to this colossal master bedroom, Aravali Hills, and watching all the birds chirping. A huge, beautiful mirror has been placed for you. Columnless balcony give you a seamless transition, as this is a 4-sided open residence. Hello viewers, I'm Hina Kaul from Zricks.com, and today we will be showcasing you the hottest, the most talked about project amongst real estate moguls and the investors, and the project is Ishva TARC, which is strategically located in Sector 63A, Gurgaon, bang on Golf Course Extension Road. This is the most prime and the most sought after location in Gurgaon. TARC Ishva is strategically located on the most committed address, which is surrounded by the listed developers like DLF, Adani's and Arbors. TARC Ishva isn't just a residential project, but it is a thoughtfully curated ecosystem featuring rainwater harvesting, advanced waste management, energy efficient lighting and an expansive green landscape that enhances its biodiversity. TARC Ishva is spread across 7 acres of parcel land, and you will be getting 5 majestic towers with 386 ultra luxurious apartment, where you will be getting 1 to a core, which means per floor you will be getting only 1 apartment. This type of convenience and gentry, I'm sure none of the developers in Gurgaon have delivered, where you will be getting exclusivity and sophistication in the remarkable single apartment per core. TARC Ishva has a legacy of over 50 years in construction industry, and this is a listed company as well. Now let me tell you the USP of this project. You will be getting 5 majestic tower which will be north facing. It is a Vastu compliant project. It is inspired on Indian culture, Indian heritage and Indian tradition. This is also inspired on golden ratio, which means you are going to get sunlight throughout the day in each and every room of yours. And another best part is that none of the tower's shadow is going to fall on another tower. With 7-tier security, 3 entry-exit points in the entire project, you will be also getting an expansive 1,15,000 square feet clubhouse with 63 amenities. You will be getting ample variety of wellness amenities as well, which none of the developers in Delhi NCR has provided you. Now let's ascend to TARC Ishva Sales Gallery, where I will be showcasing you the 3D model of the clubhouse and majestic 5 towers. So come along with me. Namaste. Hi. Thank you. So come along with me and I will showcase you the 3D model of 5 majestic towers and the expansive clubhouse. So, welcome to TARC Ishva's Experience Gallery. As I mentioned you, this project is spread across 7 acres, but actually TARC is owning 11 acres of parcel land, which is kept in reserve for future expansion. They've also kept 3 acres for commercial expansion as well. As I mentioned you earlier, that TARC Ishva is located in Sector 63A, bang on Golf Course Extension Road, and you will be connecting from 24-meter wide road to 8-meter wide road, and then you will be ascending towards the majestic 5 towers of TARC Ishva. In TARC Ishva, you will be getting 3 entry exit points, and another USP of this project is that you will be getting an expansive 1,15,000 square feet clubhouse which is right there in the center, and that is also called the Brahmstan of this house. This project is inspired by golden ratio, which means you will be getting sunlight throughout the day in each and every house of yours, so you don't need to turn on the light during the day. And another USP is that all these 5 towers shadow is never gonna fall on each other. And if you talk about outdoor amenities, you will be getting a basketball court, a tennis court, and you will be also getting the badminton court. And the best part is you are gonna get a temple inside your own premises. Onto your east, you will be getting a view of Delhi Faridabad Road. Onto your west, you will be getting a view of N8 and SPR Road. Onto your west, you will be getting a view of an SPR Road, and onto your north, you will be getting a view of Worldmark, and on your south, you will be getting a 270-degree panoramic view of Aravali Hills. And in TARC Ishva, you will be welcomed with grandeur, with double-heighted lobby, and the project has 5 towers. TARC Ishva is a combination of modernity and tradition values. So right in the middle, you will be getting this tree of life. So this tree is the heart and the center of this entire clubhouse. These trees are not normal trees. These are indigenous trees, which means you will be getting the highest quality of air in your surroundings. And on the basement level, you will be getting the convenience store, you will be getting a doctor on call, and on the 4th floor, they are building up 4 private suites, which means if you're getting any guests in your house, so you can book these luxurious suites for your guests and you can worry free for their convenience. On the 3rd floor, you will be getting the amphitheaters, and you will be also getting the open cabanas, you will be getting the loungers, you will be getting the restaurants, cafes, salon, you name it, you're gonna get it. You will be also getting the walking trails throughout the community. Then you will be getting the open gym space. You will be getting half Olympic sized swimming pool, which is temperature controlled. Then you will be getting the walking podiums, you will be getting the pavilions to have your social gatherings. Then you will be getting the jogging track throughout the building. You will be getting the open kids area. TARC Ishva integrates modern wellness with ancient wisdom, featuring cryotherapy, hyperbaric chambers, red light therapy, isometric training area, isokinetic training areas, plus your hammam, Turkish hammams, and steams and sauna, your yoga rooms, then your dedicated libraries. You will be also getting the meeting rooms, then your social gathering rooms, your billiard room, your chess room, golf simulators also you will be getting. Now let me walk you through the Ishva Aadhar, which is the material gallery of TARC Ishva. So far, this type of material gallery, none of the developers have delivered, because they are very proud of what they are delivering to us, and they are very transparent, and they want their investors to know the inside of the project. So come along with me and I will let you know who are the construction partner, who are the architecture partners. Come along with me and I will let you know who are the design and construction partner. So ACC is the construction partner for TARC Ishva. They are the developer and curator of Burj Khalifa. Now come along with me to this side. RSP is the design consultant, and Design Accord is the landscape consultant. Then CPP is the wind study consultant. JW are the review consultant. Then Savia are the facade consultant. TPC are the structure consultant. Vijay Sharma Shankar, he is the Vastu consultant, and as you all know, people nowadays are very conscious about the Vastu. If the Vastu of the house is good, they are gonna get prosperity and wellness in their life. Moving on, HPG consultant are the club consultant, matrix management consultant, they are the vertical transportation consultant. Moving on, they have shown the transparency of what kind of a material they are going to use. So if you see here, these are the type of pipes which they are going to use. So these are for the waste pipe, your vent pipe, soil pipe, domestic pipe, and flushing pipe. TARC Ishva is built on a focus of sustainability and innovation, and recently they have also won IGBC Platinum certification. They're also focusing on water conservation, then energy efficiency, natural lighting and ventilation, enhanced air quality, which means you will be getting the air quality of PM 2.5 all the times, and you will be getting 2 car parkings with fast chargings in your basement. As we are talking about the transparency, they are using PERT piping without any breakage in between, which is gonna give you a zero leakage. Moving on, they will be using high quality of imported marbles, and the fixtures are from Kohlers, and you can see they have displayed the kind of marble they're gonna use. Then moving on, it will be an automated home. You will be getting indoor air quality because the entire house is of VRV, and you will be also getting the in-fitted air purifiers. So if you have booked your house, you can give prior instructions for the color to be chosen. So in the kitchens, you will be getting the Caesar stone black slash with 2 colors, grey and white. And for your doors also, you will be getting 2 color options, which is white and which is brown. Kitchen cabinetry will be PU coated. As we have showcased you maximum number of amenities in the clubhouse, I'm sure I must have missed few of them because they are so much that I think the whole entire video we can showcase you on the clubhouse. But nevertheless, let's move to the ultra luxurious 4 BHK sample apartment. So keep watching this video as I am now ascending towards the sample home just for you. So let's walk through the lift lobby area and then we will be entering the ultra luxurious 4 BHK. So right now I'm standing in the lift lobby area, and on the right hand side you will be getting 2 servant lift. And on your right hand side you will be also getting a separate entrance for your servant room. So in case you are leaving your house, and you can lock your house and you will be getting a separate entrance for servant. So the moment you enter to your lift lobby area, you have 2 dedicated doors to enter your home. First door is dedicated for your fire exit, and the moment you enter, you will be greeted with 2 private lifts, not 1 but the 2 private lifts, and you will be also getting VRV cassettes AC with the video call door and the biometrics door. So welcome to TARC Ishva, which is the amalgamation of Indian tradition and modern living. So welcome to this expansive, spacious, exuberant living cum dining area where a 6-seater dining table is easily accommodated. This colossal 3,900 square feet TARC Ishva home is based on Indian roots. As you can see, you will be seeing the Indian history in each and every corner of this house. You will be also seeing the artifacts from different parts of India in this house, and it is made in such a way so that you will feel that you are living in an Indian house. So right now I am standing in the living area, and the entire house is built from international marbles. And as you can see, as I walk through the living area, you will be getting this aluminium profile sliders, and you will be stepping not into your balcony but to an 8 feet long deck. As this is a 4-sided open house, you will be getting a 8 by 6 feet running balcony. As you can see, the sofa has already been placed, a big planter is already placed, then coffee tables are placed in this side, then you have barbecues already placed, and after that still you have ample of space where you can easily host your guests up to 25 to 30 people. This house is made keeping in mind the Indian traditions, Indian heritage and Indian culture. So now I am standing at the dining area where you can easily accommodate a table of 9 sittings. And this is the place where all the memories are built, where you share the delicious meals with your family and have the best moments of your life. TARC Ishva is a smart, fully automated home. Let me show you. Alexa, switch on dining area chandelier.
Okay.
See? Alexa, switch on living area chandelier. Isn't it mesmerizing? and look at the chandelier they have placed. So you can also play around with your thoughts and you can make and customize this home, the interiors as per your own need. So this is a sample flat for you, and the architect has done a marvelous job. I can't stop myself admiring this house. I am falling in love with this house. This house is not 4 BHK, it is actually 4.5 BHK because you will be getting a family lounge also. So right now I'm standing at the family lounge. This is actually called the Brahmsthan also of this house because this house is made in a square shape, and according to Vastu, square shape home is the best home, and you can have your family time here. Welcome to your guest room. The moment you enter, on your right hand side, you will get a powder room, and such a cute, gorgeous powder room this is. You can do your touch-ups here, and look at the interiors of this washroom, guys. Look at the faucets. The golden Kohler faucets have been used here. Marble, not normal, international marbles. So now let me showcase you the kitchen, the heart of this house where the scrumptious meals are made. So isn't this a gorgeous kitchen, which is an amalgamation of soft colors, white and cream. So the moment you enter, you will be finding a double door refrigerator. So you are gonna get a fully equipped kitchen. You will be getting the Bosch OTG, Bosch microwave, then you will be getting Bosch chimney and hobs. And you will be getting PU coated kitchen cabinets, which ensures you will be getting ample space. Then you will be getting this glass window where you can showcase all your fancy cutleries. You will be getting this gorgeous looking international Italian marble. You will also be getting a dishwasher from Bosch, and then wet and dry sinks. So right in front of your Brahmsthan, you will be getting kids bedroom. So welcome to the kids bedroom, which comes with an attached balcony, and this balcony is 6 feet long. So as I mentioned you, this is a 4-sided open home. So you will be getting all 4 views, north, east, west, south. And so this kids rooms to come with a walk-in closet. As you can see, you will be getting 4 almirahs. And this too comes with an ensuite washroom. Again, you will be getting these gorgeous vanities, marble countertops, a gorgeous looking mirror, sanitaries from Kohlers, and these cubicle showers, and these hand showers too from Kohlers. Isn't it gorgeous? Now let me take you to the junior master bedroom of this home, which is just next to your kids' room. So welcome to your junior master bedroom. The moment you enter, you will be welcomed by this cute looking mirror. I just realized that they have given you plenty of space. The moment you enter, you will be getting 2 wardrobes. And the moment you come in the washroom also, you can see you're getting another almirahs. So your storage is sorted. And this master bedrooms too come with ensuite washroom, where you can see you will be getting this gorgeous looking floor, and in this washroom they have used tiles, and you will be getting this international marble top counters with these vanities. You will be getting the sanitaries from Kohlers, be it your hand shower faucets. So you will be getting all the international brands in your washroom. So this is how your junior master bedroom looks like. They have placed a king or a queen size bed, and still you will be getting ample of space. As you can see, they have also placed a sofa in the room, and still I have ample of space to walk. And then you will be getting proper ventilation to your room, because as you can see, they have given a aluminium frame windows which you can open. Actually, this is also a Juliet balcony. Now, this bedroom is also have its own private balcony, which is 6 feet long. Again, I'm mentioning you that this is a 4-sided open room, so you will be getting 270-degree panoramic Aravali views. And as you can see on my left-hand side, they have given a gorgeous tall aluminum profile windows. This window actually you cannot open, but here you're gonna get proper sunlight, so you don't need to switch on the lights during the day. And here you can place your dressers. Look at the gorgeous dresser they have kept here. I can admire this, for a few more minutes. It's looking super gorgeous. Now, let me take you to the most awaited area of this ultra luxurious 4.5 BHK, your great master bedroom. So, welcome to this colossal master bedroom, which is spacious, exuberant, gorgeous. And as you can see, they have placed an Indian style bed here along with your side tables, and you will be getting a personal lobby as well here, and you can enjoy your hot coffee here. So imagine you're standing here with a hot cuppa in your hand and this cute binoculars, and you are overlooking Aravali Hills and watching all the birds chirping, and you can also zoom in to the natural surroundings around you. As this master bedroom is quite spacious, you can see they have placed a business table over here where you can do all your meetings, you can do your office work, and then a TV console has been placed here, a massive TV has also been placed here, a sofa has been placed here for you to lounge in, and you will be getting a cute Juliet balcony. Also, they have given you a mesh here so that you will get proper ventilation. These cute looking mirrors have been placed for you, so you can curate this bedroom as per your own choice. Isn't it gorgeous? So now let me give you a view of your walk-in closet. So as you can see, I'm walking through the walk-in closet where you will be getting ample storage space. You will be getting not 1, 2, 3, plus this side also you will be getting wardrobes, and as you can see, they have given you slabs for your shoes. Then here is your long-running almirah where you can hang all your blazers and coats. So your storage is sorted. And this is your beautiful, gorgeous washroom, which comes with Italian marble floors. And as you can see, you will be getting the wash basins for his and her. So you will not be fighting in the morning who is going to be brushing first. And then a huge, beautiful mirror have been placed for you. And you will be getting all these shining imported sanitary fittings from Kohler. Then again, sanitary fittings from Kohler, and the shower cabinet has been placed here. Also, a mini fan is placed here so that the washroom doesn't get humid. Also, there is another hidden gem. So come along with me, I'll show you what the hidden gem is. So after your rain cubicle, you will be getting an open rain shower as well. Yes, I will urge my cameraman to come inside and show the open rain shower. So it's not hidden. You will not be hiding in the walls, but you will be taking a shower in the nature. Of course, it will be guarded with the aluminium railing. This columnless balcony gives you a seamless transition as this is a 4-sided open residence. So let's talk about the mystical views which you're gonna get. East is the gateway of new beginning. West, the canvas of sunset dream. North, the beacon of aspiration, and south, the century of serenity. So in the morning, you will be welcomed by the mystical winds coming from the Aravali Hills. So imagine you are standing here in the morning and sipping on your hot espresso and breathing the fresh air of Aravali Hills. And you will be getting the unparalleled view of Aravali Hills. TARC Ishva, which means spirituality, and if you get a house in this, you will be surrounded by the spiritual vibes. In TARC Ishva, you own your own core. TARC Ishva is rendering you once in a lifetime opportunity. And if you are interested in this premium project and you would like to come and visit this sales gallery, then do call us on the numbers flashing below and we will get your appointment. So thank you for watching Zricks.com and do subscribe us to get the real estate update.